Welcome, Grade 12 scholars, to the International Online School. Today, we are excited to explore Chapter 23 of our chemistry course, Environmental Chemistry, meticulously designed according to the Federal Board of Pakistan's curriculum and standards. Let's begin with chemistry. Let's dive into Chapter 23, Environmental Chemistry, an essential aspect of chemical studies. In this overview, we dive into chemical reactions in the atmosphere, pollutants from combustion of hydrocarbon-based fuels, environmental problems and hazardous compounds, causes and impacts of urban smog, greenhouse effect, global warming, and climate change, adverse effects of ozone in the troposphere, CFCs and ozone depletion in the stratosphere, ozone's role in reducing UV radiation, alternatives to CFCs. Water pollutants and analysis parameters, major products of the petrochemicals industry and their uses. Let's explore each of these points covered in this chapter. We'll begin with chemical reactions in the atmosphere. This lesson focuses on recognizing various chemical reactions occurring in the atmosphere. Students will understand the complex interactions of chemicals in the air and their impact on environmental processes. We'll then explore pollutants from combustion of hydrocarbon-based fuels. Building on atmospheric reactions, this lesson emphasizes the release of COx, SOx, NOx, and VOCs associated with the combustion of hydrocarbon-based fuels. Students will apply their knowledge to recognize the environmental implications of these pollutants. Next, we'll cover environmental problems and hazardous compounds. In this lesson, students will outline problems associated with the release of pollutants, including acid rain and the formation of hazardous inorganic and organic compounds like PAN. Analyzing the consequences of pollutant release is crucial for understanding environmental challenges. We'll then move on to the causes and impacts of urban smog. Students will describe the causes and impacts of urban smog in this lesson. Analyzing the components and effects of smog is essential for recognizing its adverse effects on air quality and public health. Following that, we'll describe the greenhouse effect, global warming, and climate change. This lesson explains the greenhouse effect and global warming as contributors to climate change. Students will analyze the mechanisms leading to climate change and understand the implications for ecosystems and human activities. We'll explore the adverse effects of ozone in the troposphere. Students will explain the buildup and recognize the adverse effects of ozone in the troposphere in this lesson. Understanding the dynamics of tropospheric ozone is crucial for comprehending its impact on air quality. Next, we'll cover CFCs and ozone depletion in the stratosphere. This lesson describes the role of CFCs in destroying ozone in the stratosphere. Students will apply their knowledge to recognize the environmental consequences of ozone depletion. Following that, we'll describe ozone's role in reducing UV radiation. In this lesson, students will describe the role of ozone in the stratosphere in reducing the intensity of harmful UV radiation reaching the Earth. Understanding this protective function of ozone is crucial for comprehending its significance. We'll then move on to alternatives to CFCs. Students will list possible alternatives to the use of CFCs in this lesson. Recognizing and promoting environmentally friendly substitutes is essential for mitigating ozone depletion. Next, we'll cover water pollutants and analysis parameters. This lesson focuses on recognizing and describing various water pollutants. Students will also explain the various parameters used in water analysis, providing insight into monitoring and maintaining water quality. Finally, we'll describe the major products of the petrochemical industry and their uses. The final lesson lists some major products of the petrochemical industry, along with their uses. Students will apply their knowledge to understand the diverse applications of petrochemical products and their implications for the environment. With recorded lessons to go back to, easy to read notes, quizzes, practice tests to get you exam ready, online sessions with instructors, question forums, and live support from the International Online School team will make sure you're well prepared. Completing this course means not just achieving good grades, but excelling and aiming for A+ results. Your dedication and hard work will pave the way for success. So, let's begin with Chapter 23 and embark on this enriching journey of chemistry, crafted to ensure your success at the International Online School.